Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic AMD A9 processor and AMD A10 processor, the best comparison. Let's start with the significance. The AMD A10 9600P processor is the ULV chip of the mid-range APU of the series called Bristol Ridge series of 7th generation of APU was launched in mid of 2016. It includes 4 cores and the processor has the same silicon as Carrizo but features are more and refined. This includes a 15.6-inch Full HD display. Next is common features. Some features are common to one and other, like 64-bit Intel 64 on-chip floating point unit. The only homogeneous feature in both this is the similar processors and 28mm manufacturing technology used for socket and architecture, and both belonging to AMD A series processors. Next are the specification. Brand. Both are AMD. Model 101-065H, 112-070H. Series AMD Bristol Ridge, AMD Bristol Ridge. Code name Stony Ridge, Bristol Ridge. Frequency 2400 MHz, 2900 MHz. Turbo frequency 3300 MHz, 3500 MHz. Cores 4, 2. Threads 4, 2. TDP 1525. Manufacturing technology 28nm, 28nm. Cupid signature 660F51, 670F00. Next is pros and cons. Pros. The supported memory channels, memory frequency and bandwidth of the AMD A10 9600P processor are high. Thus, it consumes less power. Moreover, it has multi-threading performance to execute more stimulus threads. In contrast, AMD processor has a trump card to play with high clock speed. Have a blast. Cope up with your adrenaline. A rush for gaming with lightning speed with the efficient and substantial performance of AMD A9 9410 processor. Thus, the level of processor by AMD is sufficient more than demanding applications. Cons. Let's accomplish and embrace flaws. The operating frequency of AMD A10 9600P processor is low. On the other hand, for 9410 processor, it has smaller CPU cores and therefore it does not support many threads. It consumes considerably more power because of less memory bandwidth. Last but not the least, conclusion. AMD A9 processor and AMD 10 processors, though a comparative interpretation of both the production and analyzing the significant features, we have come to the opinion that we suggest you to go for AMD 10 9600P processor than AMD A9. Undoubtedly, A10 9600P processor has sufficient feature indispensable for efficient and proficient hardcore gaming. Not only that, but AMD 10 9600P processor is also compatible and has advanced technological virtualization. It is easy to install and runs sufficiently and effectively. We would like to hear FAQs and get to the button of your issue on our official website www.gossipfunda.com, or you can download our app available on Play Store. Do we have a desire to know about us? Feel free to contact us. Get in touch with us through our official website. We appreciate constructive feedback from our consumers. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you everyone.